Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering off and ejecting the SIM tray so nothing shorts during repair. Next, heat the rear glass evenly to loosen adhesive. 80 to 90 degrees Celsius is effective without warping components. Once the glue softens, insert a thin pick and slide incrementally around the perimeter. Do not pry straight up. Work edge to edge to avoid cracking. Make sure you have T5 and T3 drivers ready, because you'll remove internal screws immediately after opening. Once open, disconnect the battery to prevent any power flow. This reduces risk when handling tiny connectors. Remove the midframe screws and gently lift the camera area. Use a spudger to release flex cables without bending them. If the camera glass is fused to the module, heat locally and separate the glass from the sensor housing with a plastic pick. You want to avoid touching the sensor. After removal, clean remaining adhesive and glass fragments with 90% plus isopropyl and a nylon brush. You should test the camera function before sealing. Reconnect the battery and snap the camera connector temporarily so you can open the camera app and confirm focus and image clarity. Once satisfied, power down, apply a thin, even adhesive tape or liquid adhesive around the lens seat, place the replacement glass aligned to the camera cutout, and press evenly. Reassemble screws, reinsert SIM, and heat briefly to cure adhesive. If focus or flash misbehaves, recheck connector seating and clean any adhesive on the sensor. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.